Dear students, myself Dr. Sritama Datta, Assistant Professor, Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology. Today's topic is wave optics. Now we talk about the interference. What is interference? The phenomena in which two or more waves superpose to form a resultant wave of greater, lower or the same amplitude is known as interference. In this figure, we see that there is two waves, one is red and one is blue, and they are superimposed and get the resultant wave, which is bigger in amplitude. So here we have to know the principle of superposition of waves. When two or more waves of the same type are incident on the same point, the resultant amplitude at that point is equal to the vector sum of the amplitude of the individual waves. Let us consider the amplitude of the wave of the one wave is along the x-axis given by this equation, and another wave in different phase, that is a cos kx minus omega t plus phi. This is the phase difference. If two waves are superimposed, then they have the constructive interference and destructive interference. The condition of the constructive interference is when the phase difference is an even multiple of pi, that is pi is equal to 0 plus minus 2 pi plus minus 4 pi and so on, then we get the constructive interference. When the phase difference is odd multiple of pi, so cos phi by 2 is equal to 0, then we get the destructive interference. Here we show the Young's double slit experiment. In this experiment, we use two coherent sources of light placed at a small distance apart, usually only a few orders of magnitude greater than the wavelength of the light is used. Wavelength of the light is lambda. Here we show the experimental setup, and D is the distance between two slits and the opaque region, and capital D is the large distance away from the slits. Okay, so there is a screen, and the screen to slit distance is capital D. So in this experiment, we get the same width of brighter and the darker band. এখানে আমরা যে পিকচারটা দেখতে পাচ্ছি, সেম উইথ এ ডার্কার আর ব্রাইটার ব্যান্ডের আমরা একটা পিকচার পাবো. The position of maxima on the screen is denoted by d n lambda by small d. N is a number, any number 1, 2, 3 order number, and position of the minima is 2n plus 1 capital D lambda by 2d small d. Here also is a order number. Small d is the distance between two slit and the opaque region, and d is the distance of the slit to the screen. And here we get the fringe width, the same width for the dark and the bright fringe, that is d lambda, capital D lambda by d. Now here we use the term coherent. What is coherent? Coherent means two sources are said to be coherent when the waves emitted from them have the same frequency and the constant phase difference or the constant path difference. So the characteristics of the coherent source is the wave generated have the constant phase difference and the waves are of single frequency. In other hand, incoherent sources are the exact opposite of the coherent source. This type of source emit the light with a frequency and there are random change of phase or the path difference. So, thank you.